So this is the recap for live stream. Let's see what live stream this is. Live stream 68. So we are we are quite a bit on with these live streams. So let's get into this video. So today market was in a fairly tight range. The VIX was suggesting we might see a bit of a sell-off. Started the day okay in terms of our short in the market and picking up profits and so on. Over here, we took a short, we took profit as prices went in our favor. Ultimately, the level was at 62. Took profit, wanted to re-enter short, and I think we did re-enter short. Took profit at 62. Went short again at 76 on a pullback, looking for the continuation down towards the 30s. Didn't quite get there. Prices pulled back. As prices looked like it was about to break out, I decided to switch to bias long. That was a mistake on my part. Took a loss, decided to go long, drew this trend line, think we were going to break out. Took profit for a small gain of 3 points. Went short, took profit, could have held, of course. Was in at a very good price, around 303. Could definitely have held towards that 62, but decided to take profit around it, just under the 97s. So we were trading pretty well. So we had this loss over here, which was 24 points, 24.5 points. And the other loss we had, we have a loss over here as well. Yeah, we lost 5 points over here. Prices came down, came into this high volume area, came down, decided to reverse, thought we wouldn't see more selling to the downside. It was correct. And the reason that was because we saw the buying out of this area. Also on the hourly chart, we saw prices come into the area, constantly being bought back up with these wicks on the hourly chart. So we changed our bias to long, so reverse the position, went long, took profits, recovered all these losses, took profits. Just trying to re-enter. Thought about re-entering at 79. Decided to wait to see how prices interact with these highs. Prices sold back down. So this is where I suffered one of the last loss of the day, the one that we just closed out. And it was pretty much off. Prices came into this 97.25, sold with this large candle. Wasn't really a fan. Sold off there. I decided to go short. Did say could potentially be a trap. Prices sold down into this area of previous buying. Got bought back up. I was slightly distracted. Had a bit of a call out to be on. Held a position. Prices came down. Didn't quite get back to my entry. Of course, in hindsight, we could see the 97.25 was a better level to short from. Shorted here in the middle of the range, but eventually closed the position here for a loss, and the loss was about 8.25 points. So that's what we lost there. So we picked up 66 points. We're up over 75. Picked up 66 points. And finally, let's have a look at the trade performance. So just bringing over the trade performance here. As we can see, smooth equity curve to the upside before we lost the 24 points or so. Big dip, came in, made new highs. Our highest point was around, oh, that's interesting, around 76 points. And eventually here, we're closing the day out at, this is saying 67. Not sure why it's saying 67. 67. Guess it's saying 67,469. So around about 66, 67 points here. That's what we've picked up. This big pullback's not great, and this pullback at the end of the day definitely could have picked a better trade location. On the short, did say there was a possibility of it being a bit of a trap off the, I don't know if not a bit of a trap, it was a bit of a tricky one considering that we have interacted with that 9725, but these things happen. So gave back a bit of profit, but it's still a profitable day nonetheless. I'm not sure why there's a discrepancy in the P&L, but yep, that's going to wrap up the video. I'd like to say thanks for watching, and think about liking the video.